Cold start of the Bosozoku car. Nice. Now sitting in Effspot's Bosozoku car. Got the lights in the back. Got the super long exhaust here. Right hand drive manual.
Do I just sit out there watching?
Oh my gosh.
I'll hit the horn later. Man, neighbors must love this car. Huh? Alright.
Such a different experience.
It is, yeah. It's pretty low. It's pretty.
It's very
bumpy.
cool. It's like.
Yeah. It's very. Hold on. Let's see if this works. Oh, it works today. Wait.
Straight from Japan.
Oh. He still thinks we're in Japan.
It's all in Japanese. Woo.
Let's see. Man.
This is like the weirdest car you can see on the road.
Oh shit!
Oh, he's like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's a pretty weird car, honestly.
Yeah, but it rides fine. Like
It's actually not bad.
Yeah.
Bro. It's not bad.
I thought you would have to like drive slow and then careful about everything.
Right.
It's
It's
pretty drivable. Like
It's just the bumps and the driveways and the speed bumps.
yeah,
Other than that, like it's pretty light,
yeah, that's
pretty nimble. So
it's so weird sitting on the left side with
Yeah,
no
exactly.
steering wheel. You know?
yeah, exactly. It's really different.
Song with that exhaust.
You You could, yeah. Like that's what some of the kite racer guys do.
Yeah, with the motorcycles.
Oh yeah,
right?
they're like,
Yeah.
Like they're able to like feather the throttle of the clutch and the accelerator to make it look like it's like a sauna or something.
Yeah.
That's I don't know how to do that yet, so I need more practice.
We need more Bosozoku car here in America.
We
Definitely.
See, like, I feel like this is the thing that's like draining my battery, but I don't know for sure. You know? It doesn't work half the time, I swear. Oh,
Slowly getting there. Think about it.
Let's see if we can turn on the car. Oh, it actually turns on. Nice.
At this interior.
Shift knob.
Legendary Japanese car. Mr. Sheep in the back. Nice. Wow, what an experience. What the surprise is in the trunk. Let's see.
Okay, hold on. I gotta use two hands. That wasn't supposed to be there. Yep. I don't know.
Very Japanese.
It came with the car, so don't ask me, man. It literally came with the car. Then.
Guys, I just had a ride in Effspot's Bosozoku car, and that was such an amazing experience. Thank you so much.